Hi, today in front of me CAT S53 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first we should launch Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Then tap to voice section and click to voice match. To activate Hey Google option, just click once on the switcher and that's it. But Assistant to recognize your voice, you should add your voice model. So click here, retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now the Hey Google option is ready, so when you say OK Google or Hey Google, you could see that this option successfully activated. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.